starts with one stove, then another, before you know they're taking over the whole house. A lot of the stoves you see on YouTube are wood gas camp stoves. They're quite small stoves designed really for boiling a couple of cups of water or whatever. I wanted something that would cook a full meal, and so I had to go a little bit bigger, and this is my design for that. So the large stove's made out of a Heineken beer can, and we've got a throttle body on the side which allows us to control the amount of air that's going in there, and we're just using a computer fan to put a bit of forced air in there. Top comes off nice and easy, and nothing fancy at all. It's a 5 litre paint tin, and we're just using a strainer for a grate. That just slides right out. There's nothing fancy in there either. Okay, so let's fuel it up. I'm going to use some pine cones, some old timber lard that I've got lying around, and some kitty litter. I would normally use twigs, but it's been raining pretty hard for the last month, so difficult to get any dry twigs right now. But this should work pretty good. We'll fuel it up, we'll light it up, and then we'll cook some food. Okay, so we've got it all kind of full of cones and twigs and whatnot, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of barbecue lighting gel on the top, which will get it going. And then that should be easy to go. We'll just put the top on. Running away nicely. That's a pretty strong flame already. We'll be going a second or two now. We'll put a timer on it and see how we go. So one of the challenges you've got with this kind of end result is you need to bring the pot up to temperature pretty quickly. I'm using a Dutch oven, which is a heavy cast iron pot, and you want a pretty high temperature to fry your onions or fry your chicken and whatnot, so you need the stove to be pretty full on to start off with, but then you want to be able to bring things down to a simmer as well. And with the air control valve on this, you can just back things off just a little bit, or even switch the fan off. Runs a little bit smokier with the fan off, this particular one. You also need a fairly long duration of burn time, so you're looking for 20 plus minutes would be good. In this video I did actually have to put a bit more fuel in after the 20-minute mark or so. That said, if I started off at maybe slightly slower pace, probably could have got the whole meal done with one fuel load. That's what I was trying to go for. It depends what fuel you put in as well. If you put really dense fuel in, like beech twigs or something like that, you'll get a decent burn time out of that sort of stuff. Okay, well that's bubbling away pretty nice. And the flame's gone down to pretty much nothing at all, but it's still putting out plenty of heat. We've been going quite a while to get this far. We'll see the timer come up just in a minute. There we are, 39 minutes, and that risotto is ready to go. It's a Jamie Oliver recipe. One pot meals are great for this type of thing, so all the ingredients in one pot, and there we are, the final thing. Ready to plate up any second now. And I'm going to have to sign off now because that is my dinner, and it's time to eat. Hope you enjoyed the clip. I'll have another stove clip for you pretty soon.